What are the roadblocks to peace?
The role of religious leaders has changed a lot, and we need to change.
This is about media and religious people.
In many countries, religious leaders feel isolated and they don't know how to connect with the modern world.
In the global situation, we need to listen, learn each other, and we need to respect each other as well.
I'm also part of social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, so many things I'm doing.
We have to follow the tune of the society.
And show the public we are, unity, so that among the public they think, oh, our leaders are unity, so why do we need to fight?
It was so enriching.
We have opened ourselves to understand the trends.
Getting together, diverse community into one unity and to a better, peaceful coexistence.
Try to move forward how religion can be of an important factor into changing the world for a better place. Yes.
So this training here has opened our eyes to the many possibilities we have to address some of these roadblock issues. We are able to talk to each other, reflect with each other, and most important of all, network with each other.
We wish this program remain very alive in the future, especially from the underdeveloped countries.